For over a century, fingerprints have reigned supreme in the world of criminal justice. They've been considered the ultimate form of identification, a foolproof way to link perpetrators to their crimes. Every single person on Earth possesses a unique set of fingerprints, or so we thought. This belief, etched in stone in courtrooms and crime labs, has been the bedrock of countless convictions. But what if this unshakable truth wasn't so unshakable after all? What if technology, specifically artificial intelligence, dared to challenge this long-held belief? That's precisely what's happening right now, sending shockwaves through the world of forensics. The very foundation of fingerprint identification is being questioned thanks to groundbreaking research by scientists at Columbia Engineering and the University at Buffalo. Their findings, powered by artificial intelligence, suggest that fingerprints might not be as unique as we once believed. This discovery has the potential to revolutionize criminal investigations, forcing us to re-examine how we use and interpret this crucial piece of evidence. Artificial intelligence, often dubbed AI, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's changing the world as we know it. In the realm of forensics, AI is emerging as a game-changer, capable of analyzing complex patterns and spotting subtle connections that often elude the human eye. The team of researchers at Columbia Engineering and the University at Buffalo harnessed the power of AI to delve into the world of fingerprints. They developed a sophisticated AI model, a digital detective of sorts, and tasked it with analyzing a massive database of fingerprints. The results were startling, to say the least. The AI model, trained on a vast data set of fingerprints, stumbled upon a pattern that had long been overlooked. It discovered that fingerprints from different fingers of the same person could be surprisingly similar, far more than previously thought. This revelation sent ripples through the forensics community, challenging the very notion of fingerprint uniqueness, a cornerstone of criminal identification for over a century. The AI's findings were met with a mix of skepticism and intrigue. Could it be true that our understanding of fingerprints, a cornerstone of forensic science, was flawed? The research, spearheaded by Professor Lipson at Columbia Engineering and Professor Wenyao Xu at the University at Buffalo, suggested that the answer might be a resounding yes. Their AI model, trained on a massive data set of fingerprints, had unearthed a pattern that had eluded human observation for decades. It found that fingerprints from different fingers of the same individual could be remarkably similar, challenging the long-held belief that each fingerprint is entirely unique. This discovery wasn't just an academic curiosity, it had profound implications for the criminal justice system. If fingerprints weren't as unique as we thought, what did that mean for the countless convictions based on fingerprint evidence? The researchers urged caution, emphasizing that their findings didn't invalidate fingerprint analysis but rather called for a more nuanced understanding of this complex biometric identifier. The AI model at the heart of this groundbreaking research wasn't your typical computer program. It was a sophisticated deep learning algorithm, a type of artificial intelligence that excels at recognizing patterns in vast amounts of data. This digital detective, trained on a massive database of fingerprints, was able to discern subtle similarities between prints from different fingers of the same person, a feat that had eluded human experts for decades. But how did it do it? Unlike traditional fingerprint analysis, which focuses on minute details called minutiae, the AI took a different approach. It looked at the overall patterns of ridges and whorls, analyzing their angles, curvatures, and spatial relationships. This holistic approach allowed the AI to see beyond the minutiae, revealing hidden similarities that had previously gone unnoticed. The AI's success lay in its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data, something that humans simply can't do with the same speed or accuracy. This ability to see the forest for the trees, to discern overarching patterns amidst a sea of details, is what makes AI such a powerful tool in forensic science and beyond. Section 5, a bump in the road resistance from the forensics world. The researchers' findings, though groundbreaking, were not met with open arms by the forensic science community. The idea that fingerprints might not be entirely unique was a paradigm shift, a direct challenge to a century-old dogma. Some experts expressed skepticism, arguing that the AI's findings were based on a limited dataset and might not hold true in real-world scenarios. The researchers faced an uphill battle when they first attempted to publish their findings. Their initial submission to a prominent forensic science journal was met with resistance, the reviewers hesitant to embrace such a radical departure from established knowledge. However, the researchers persevered, confident in the rigor of their methodology and the significance of their findings. Their persistence paid off when their research was eventually accepted for publication in a prestigious, multidisciplinary journal. This publication marked a turning point, bringing the AI's revelations to the forefront of scientific discourse and forcing the forensic community to grapple with the implications of these findings. Section 6. Seeing things differently, the AI's unique perspective. What set the AI apart from its human counterparts was not just its processing power, but also its unique perspective on fingerprints. Traditional fingerprint analysis, deeply entrenched in the minutiae-based approach, had long overlooked the potential significance of broader patterns. The AI, unburdened by such preconceived notions, was free to explore the data from a fresh perspective. Its focus on angles, curvatures, and spatial relationships in fingerprint patterns revealed a level of similarity between prints from different fingers of the same person that had previously gone unnoticed. This wasn't to say that minutiae were irrelevant, but rather that they might not be the be-all and end-all of fingerprint analysis. The AI's success highlighted the importance of challenging long-held assumptions, even in well-established fields like forensic science. It demonstrated that a fresh perspective, often provided by new technologies like AI, could lead to groundbreaking discoveries and a more nuanced understanding of the world around us. Section 7. The quest for perfection, refining the AI with more data. While the AI's findings were groundbreaking, the researchers acknowledged that their work was far from over. The AI model, though impressive in its capabilities, was still under development. Its accuracy, while promising, could be further improved, and its limitations, particularly its reliance on a specific dataset, needed to be addressed. The researchers outlined a roadmap for future research, with a key focus on expanding and diversifying the AI's training data. A larger, more representative dataset, encompassing a wider range of demographics and fingerprint variations, would be crucial to enhancing the AI's accuracy and generalizability. The researchers also emphasized the importance of collaborating with forensic experts to refine the AI's algorithms and ensure their practical applicability in real-world investigations. This collaborative approach, combining the AI's computational prowess with the experience and expertise of human analysts, held the key to unlocking the full potential of AI in forensic science. Section 8. A new era in forensics: AI as a powerful ally. The emergence of AI in forensic science heralds a new era in criminal investigations. While the AI's discovery about fingerprint similarities has challenged long-held assumptions, it's essential to remember that this technology is not here to replace human experts, but rather to augment their capabilities. AI can be viewed as a powerful ally, a tireless assistant capable of sifting through mountains of data, identifying patterns, and generating leads that might otherwise go unnoticed. In the case of fingerprints, AI can serve as a supplementary tool, providing investigators with additional insights and helping them to re-examine existing evidence from a fresh perspective. The future of forensics likely involves a collaborative partnership between human analysts and AI, each leveraging their unique strengths to solve crimes and bring perpetrators to justice. This synergy, combining human intuition and experience with AI's computational power, has the potential to revolutionize the field, making it more efficient, accurate, and objective. Section 9. The bigger picture: AI's expanding role in scientific breakthroughs. The story of AI's foray into fingerprint analysis extends far beyond the realm of forensic science. It serves as a powerful illustration of AI's growing influence on scientific discovery across diverse fields. AI is no longer confined to the digital world. It's rapidly becoming an indispensable tool for scientists, researchers, and innovators worldwide. From unraveling the complexities of the human genome to accelerating drug discovery, AI is transforming the scientific landscape at an unprecedented pace. Its ability to analyze vast datasets, identify patterns, and generate hypotheses makes it an invaluable asset in fields as diverse as medicine, astronomy, and climate science. The key takeaway from the AI's fingerprint revelations is not to fear technological disruption, but to embrace its potential for positive change. AI, when used responsibly and ethically, has the power to enhance our understanding of the world around us, leading to breakthroughs that benefit humanity as a whole. The future is here, and it's powered by AI.